Rectangle girls of the world. I'm every girl in a circle I run. You could be square, hon, but don't be a nut. We just wanna rectangle girls of the world. No matter the size, no matter the shape. You may be shaped like a bumblebee, but you're beautiful, girl. Just love your body. Rectangle girls of the world.
You wanna be seen like a girl on TV. I'm not a Stepford wife, I'm your fantasy.
Rectangle girls of the world. What rounded girls? Yeah, we will give you life. I'm straight to the point and I'm sharp as a knife.
Get out of the box, don't be so uptight.
Rectangle girls of the world. Thank you.